Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you two ways of how to prepare the perfect oat smoothie for weight loss or just a healthy living option. Yes, you heard me right. I said oat smoothie. Yes, oats are one of the healthiest grains or carbohydrates that you can ever consume. They are very rich in fiber, antioxidant, vitamins, and they contain protein as well, unlike most grains. So without much talking, guys, stay tuned and see how I get this prepared. We'll start firstly with the apple oat smoothie. I'll be using 1 cup of almond milk. I pour that into my blender cup. 4 tablespoons of oats. You can use any oats of your choice. Then I'll allow this to stand for 5 minutes. And then I'll add in 1 sliced apple. You all know the benefits of apples. They do prevent constipation, they boost your immune system, they freshen your breath. I'll then add in a pinch of cinnamon powder. To make it a bit sweeter, I will add 1/2 tablespoon of honey. This is optional. I'll add that in too. Then go ahead and blend everything until it's smooth. Then I'll blend it off. Our apple oat smoothie is ready. Oats are very nutritious. They contain a lot of vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and they contain more protein than most grains. Honestly, they help to lower your blood sugar levels, cholesterol, weight loss. So why wouldn't you want to give this a shot? So I'll just go ahead and pour that in. That's 1 down. I'll show you. This is the second way of which I prepared my oat smoothie. This one is the banana oat smoothie. So I'm using 4 tablespoons of oats. As I said, you can use any oats of your choice. Then I'm going in with 4 tablespoons of yogurt, Greek yogurt to be specific. 1. I'll add in 4 tablespoons. 2, 3, 4. Greek yogurt is rich in proteins and other minerals and vitamins. So I'm going in now to add 1/2 cup of water. Then I allow this to stand again for 5 minutes before adding in any other ingredients. To sweeten this up, I'm going to add 1 chopped banana. Bananas are rich in protein. They're a source of energy. They aid with digestion, and they increases your vitamin B6 as well. So I'll add that in. And then just a pinch of cinnamon powder. For healthy fats, I will be adding a tablespoon of whole not smooth but a peanut butter. You can add avocado if you've got that at home, but I haven't got that at home, so I will be adding peanut butter just to add some healthy fat into the smoothie. I'll go ahead now and blend this mixture until it's all smooth. I forgot to add, if you're a sweet tooth person, don't hesitate to add a spoon of honey, a tablespoon of honey, just as we did with the apple oat smoothie as well. But for me, the banana is sweet enough. So our banana oat smoothie is all ready. Then go ahead and pour that. Look at that. So apple smoothie and our banana oat smoothie are all ready. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add a little bit of chia seeds. This is as well optional, just to add more healthy fats. Voila guys, this is it. Try this recipe out, please. I bet you enjoy it. It's got loads and loads and tons of benefit: weight loss, lower your blood pressure. There are lots of health benefits. Try this out at home and I bet you will like it. You can as well twist it up to add whatever fruits of your choice, but if you add a bit of oats, you're ready to go. If you haven't subscribed and you like what you see, please click the subscribe button and click the post notification bell as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.